Are you leading your shop or just managing the chaos? Strong leadership is the difference between a struggling auto repair shop and a thriving one. That's why Drive is hosting this free webinar, Leadership That Works, on Wednesday, March 26th.
You can have the best technicians and the best equipment, but without strong leadership, your shop won't meet its full potential.
Join us and discover real strategies to motivate your team, improve productivity, and build a strong shop culture.
Many shop owners think leadership is just about being the boss, but it's really about inspiring and guiding your team to success.
The best shops aren't just well run. They have leaders who know how to motivate, delegate, and drive growth.
Register for the free Leadership That Works webinar now. Presented by Drive.